They say some places are too small to matter on a map, but Magellan set foot on this tiny island in 1521, where they explored and held the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines. And I kept thinking, out of all the islands in this country, why here? And then I saw the water, the coconut trees, and the beaches. It felt like I was in a Moana movie where everyone knows everyone. No hotels, no restaurants, just small sari-sari stores. It's the kind of island where mornings move slow, no noise, and no constant reminder that you're supposed to be doing something productive.
Tomorrow feels like sunlight spilling through the blinds. I don't know if I'll reach it, maybe I won't mind. I keep returning, tracing steps I left behind, as if the past could teach me what I'd like to find.
Barbecue, chicken, isda, and rice. I think it's this. 300 per head lang to, guys. After 2 days of wind and rains, the sun finally came back, and everything felt lighter somehow. Our tour guide said we'd be exploring the whole island today. Little Batanes, Magellan's Cross, National Shrine, Dakdak Beach, Blue Lagoon, and Totoy-totoy Peak. It sounded like too much for a day, but he only smiled and said, "Maliit lang ang island, kaya yan." And we believed him. It's just that one day is enough to see everything, but not enough to stay longer in the places that make you want to pause for a little while.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't.
March.
You come across as a cool guy, someone is the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here?
Design nyo pumaldo ang client ko. Dadami akong pera. This year, 2026. Papayat na ako this 2026. Oh!
Marami! 10! Madaming pera! Madaming travel!
Ayun, hindi ko nasama yung pulang.
I will be the last to leave. I won't say a word, just let you be. I won't make a sound, I won't slow you down.
Kaya ba today? Medyo nakakapagod ang mga adventure natin for today's video. Ay.
May katapusan ba to? Parang wala. Paano kaya? Paano tayo mamayang aakyat? OMG. Yung pababa okay lang. Kasi walang puwersa masyado. Pero yung pataas, sobrang tarik ng mga steps nila. Pray for us. Mag-rent tayo ng life vest. Marunong ka kasing lumangoy di sana all.
We laid under the willow tree the last weekend of summer. The empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other.
Where have you been? All my life, lonely nights. You were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Looking into your eyes.
See you standing by the door, watching the leaves as they fall once more. And the silence we made, I couldn't find the words to say. They linger in my mind. Oh, I wished you'd stay. Oh, I wished you'd stay. And as far as at least how I remember, we were leaving in September, when red and gold paint the sky. And as far as though maybe I pretend, oh, I wish it never ended. dancing like no one's watching, barefoot spinning round. A firecracker, 4th of July, she's moving at the speed of sound. She makes it look so easy as she walks away. Can't help but wonder what will make her stay. She slips right through my hands. Wonder if she'll ever change. Yeah, she's wild when she wants, like she's never coming down. There's a storm in her blood, but I see heaven in her brown eyes. Oh, it kills me every time. She don't belong to anyone.
Choco, gatas, choco, 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 chocolate. Meron na akong matatawag ko na ano, music to my ears. This is our last day. Bye, dakdak. See you very soon. Ay, may aso. Ilag mo, baka ano. Ay, dalawa sila. Hello.